Hello, today we would like to solve the Holy Child School Mock Examination 2022, the Core Maths paper, question number 6A. Okay, so let's start. It says that if 9 exponent n times 9 times 3 exponent negative n over 2 all exponent negative 2 minus 27 exponent n all over 27 exponent m times 8 all is equal to 1 over 27. Find m minus n. Okay, so the question wants us to find m minus n. So let's start. The same question is what we are having here. So what we are going to do is we are going to try changing all the numbers to index form. Okay, so for the 9 that we are having here, this 9 exponent n, we are going to rewrite the 9 as 3 exponent 2. That is just for the 9. Okay, so all exponent n. We have our times this particular 9. We are going to rewrite that as 3 exponent 2 times, for this particular one, the exponent, which is the negative 2 here, this particular exponent, okay, is going to multiply this exponent. So in that case, we are going to have our 3 exponent 2n over 2, okay, minus, for this term 2, we are going to rewrite the 27 as 3 exponent 3, all exponents n. So all over the denominator, we are now in the denominator. So for this particular term, we are going to rewrite that as 3 exponent 3, all exponent m, times the 8. Okay, everything will be equal to 1 over 3 exponent 3. Okay, so now from what we are having here, what is going to happen is this exponent n here is going to multiply this 2. Okay, this one too, we are going to do some cancellation here. This 3 is going to multiply this n. When it comes to this denominator 2, this 3 is going to multiply this m. All right. So now let's simplify this further. So we are going to have our 3 exponent 2n times 3 exponent 2 times 3 exponent n minus 3 exponent 3n all over, for the denominator, we were having this. So the 3 is going to multiply this. So we are going to have our 3 exponent 3m times the 8. The 8, we can even change that to index form. So that can also give us 2 exponent 3 for the 8. Okay, this will be equal to, we have our 3 exponent negative 3. The reason is, you see, this side was 1 over 3 exponent 3. And in indices, if you are having a fraction like 1 over a exponent n, this is the same as a exponent negative n. So that is how come we having our 1 over 3 exponent 3, we're able to change this to 3 exponent negative 3. Okay. In that case, let's consider the numerator of the fraction there. This particular expression and this particular expression, we can put them together to get one term for that. All right. So we are going to rewrite that as 3 exponent 2n plus n times 3 exponent 2 minus our 3 exponent 3n all over the 3 exponent 3m, okay, times 2 exponent 3 being equal to 3 exponent negative 3. So we are going to add a 2n and an n. So in that case, we are going to have 3 exponent 3n times 3 exponent 2 minus 3 exponent 3n all over 3 exponent 3m times 2 exponent 3. This will be equal to 3 exponent negative 3. Now, at this juncture, whatever that we are having here is one term, and then this one too becomes another term. Don't forget that terms are being separated by addition and subtraction sign. If that is the case, then we can say that there is a common factor there. The common factor is 3 exponents n. That is, this particular one is a common factor. Okay, so let's factorize the 3 exponent 3n out. In that case, we are going to have our 3 exponent 3n. We open brackets. You are going to be left with 3 exponent 2 minus 1, because this particular term here, its coefficient is 1. Okay, so we are going to have this all over. We have our 3 exponent 3. Sorry, this side is supposed to be m, so we are going to have our m here times our 2 exponent 3, and this will be equal to 3 exponent negative 3. So what is going to happen is, whatever that we are having in the bracket for the numerator, if you are to simplify that, it is going to give us 8. That is, this one is going to give us 8, because 3 exponent 2 minus 1, this is the same as 9 minus 1, and that is what? 8. Okay, if that is the case, then this particular expression that we are having there is going to give us 8. Therefore, we are going to have our 3 exponent 3n times 8 all over 3 exponent 3m times 2 exponent 3 being equal to 3 exponent negative 3. But the 2 exponent 3, this one is also 8. So in that case, they can cancel out. All right. So this is going to cancel this. So you end up getting 3 exponent 3n over 3 exponent 3m is equal to 3 exponent negative 3. Now, in this is a situation whereby we have two index numbers which are of the same base, and they are dividing. We subtract the exponent. So in that case, the base that we are having here is 3. This one is also 3. So we are going to subtract the exponent. That is the 3n minus the 3m. Okay, so we are going to end up getting our 3 exponent 3n minus 3m being equal to 3 exponent negative 3. Now, this is giving us the basic definition for exponential equations. That is a situation whereby if you are having a exponent m is equal to a exponent n, because the bases are the same, then n will be equal to m. Okay, so from what we are having here, we are going to have this exponent being equal to this particular exponent because the bases are the same. All right, so we are going to have 3n minus 3m being equal to negative 3. There's a common factor which is 3, so we can divide through. So this by 3, we divide this by 3, we divide this by 3. And this is going to give us n minus m being equal to negative 1. But don't forget that the question wants us to find m minus n. If that is the case, from what we are having here, we can try transposing the terms. All right. So when we shift the minus m to the other side, it's going to give us m. When we shift the n to the other side, it's going to give us minus n. And then we transpose the negative 1 to the other side, and that is going to give us 1. So it means that our m minus n is indeed equal to 1. That is how we can solve this particular question. Thanks for watching this video, but please don't forget to subscribe. All right. Bye bye.